No, she likes Nudicrous. She's the only thing in the house that doesn't mind you. Olive, do you love Nudicrous?
Hello. I swim.
Dogs are naturally alert to unusual stillness. Doggo's running a full safety check. Bro lost the argument with the bathtub before the fight officially started.
I didn't know the new Fast and Furious movie starred a chicken. When cats sleep with you, it becomes a moment of pure comfort and healing for you too.
She's seen her shadow. How cute.
Yeah, and let me just say this. When it comes to a drink, I'ma have it.
Hallo. Oh, du är så schön. Men där sitter du.
This must be a trap. Who let this table out here?
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Hey friends, if you're looking for a reason to smile,
Let's fight. Let's fight. Hey, that's my sandal. Oh my gosh, you stole my sandal.
Yep.
Who just got that coastline across there? Opposite.
Oh.
Penguin right on top of the sea. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Smartfish knows the most dangerous place is the safest place. Our boss finally had to admire his servant for daring to do exactly what he hated. A low-budget horror movie where the villain says, "Meow."
Romeo.
Always said you should think twice.
How smart dogs really are.
Good boy. Grab me the keys. Grab me the keys. Grab me the keys. Good boy. Give me the keys. Give me the keys. Good boy.
When you're already lying in a cozy and warm spot, you've already got a huge advantage.
Marshmallow, you're so freaking adorable in there. Do you want to come out? No, okay. Your tail curled. I want to finish your sweater.
Oh my gosh, he's walking on his hands. London, come here. Get him.
É tipo assim, mãe, vou te tacar fogo, mas
O drama, meu Deus.
Tiny body, huge determination. The pup really said, "You're not going anywhere."
Huh?
Testing the rug's durability and the owner's patience.
This might be the sleepiest snack ever.
That's my ear. Weirdo.
And trying to have her soup. What are you doing? Please, sir. It's not the Snickers. Remember when you got the Snickers, Mommy takes care of you.
Stinkt dir das?
Tiny businessmen who just realized their beach meeting requires swimming trunks.
That's not a toy. That's a tree. Oh my God.
At this point, it's personal.
Oh my God, help me.
Nope.
Puppy's the project manager we didn't know we needed.
Okay. Because I'm trying to see, what do you get enjoyment out of this?
Some welcomes are worth coming home for.
I can't get mad because you can't go to work. Oh. Don't spit on me.
Proof that raccoons are gangsters of the streets.
They're in the wild.
Every energetic puppy needs a patient best friend.
It's like an afternoon drink or an evening drink. You can't be having these all the time, okay? No, Halo, come back here. Oh my God, you're an alcoholic.
Proof that his soul belongs to a water park, not the police force.
Oh my God!
I want to see the face. Oh, Lord Jesus. Hi, beautiful.
Big brother to the rescue. Even the chicken knows who the real boss is.
Kisses, can I have a kiss? Kisses. Yeah, but you've got to give me a kiss. Don't just make the sound. Lovely kisses. That was a bit rough.
The bigger the dog, the bigger the heart. If you love these duos, like and subscribe for more.
Wait. Very good. Good, very good. Lou, wasn't that good?
She doesn't really have a sense of humor. You know what I mean? Like, she's not like funny. She's not that silly.
I bet he heard about the rising price of Bonecoin.
Ethan?
The moment he started questioning everything about the universe.
What?
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Get your keys, Gooch! Get him, get him, get him! Come back! Don't let him hold you! Mountain dogs sure just want to play, but it seems like bears that don't realize it. Anyway, he can come back and be a friend later.
Of being Nada's favourite.
If you want your cat to listen, just activate their inner copycat passion.
That look screams, send help and coffee.
Luna!
You say Merry Christmas?
Yeah, I don't think that they're hungry at all because they keep acting a fool. They're not gonna get any food. They're not gonna get any treats.
The sloth's like, hey, I was halfway through my 3-day commute. Put me back. Is there a cracker in here? No? Okay, I'll hug you then.
No.
Aww.
Damn, that shit feels good.
That's going a bit far.
I promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
You have to wonder how many practice jumps it took.
Wow, squirrel.
นี่นะครับ เด็กดื้อทำจานแตก
มูโฟเมื่อกี้ทำอะไรใครทำจานแตก
Burrowing owls often move into abandoned burrows made by animals like prairie dogs or ground squirrels. And see you next time, and stay awesome!
Come on, babies. Good boys. Let's go.
A warm dog who's down for cat cuddles anytime. Only one word. Heaven!
Forget advertising. Just put a friendly golden retriever at the door. See that tiny rhino? Small body, but ready to fight right alongside Mom. Fearless little warrior.
He's facing me now. Oh my God, look at that little sweetie pie. Now I gotta go on to Manitoba Birding and find out if it's...
Reliable, hardworking, and occasionally covered in fur.